This video tutorial demonstrates how to create a VeriCite assignment in Canvas using the LTI integration. In your Canvas site, go to Assignments. Click on the Plus Assignments button to add a new assignment. Enter your assignment setup information as normal. Select the External Tool Submission Type and click on the URL field to view a list of installed apps for this course. Choose VeriCite from the list. We recommend that you select Load in a New tab for best appearance on screen. Finish setting up your assignment by specifying any additional options as needed and click Save to save your assignment. If you are ready to publish the assignment for students in the class, you may select Save and Publish instead. And that's it! Your VeriCite LTI assignment is now available in Canvas.